Hi, have you been in a situation where you had to introduce yourself to a group of people for business or for job interviews? I'm sure you would have been. Interestingly, what I have noticed is a lot of time candidates follow a specific pattern and language which goes something like this. I have 5 years or 10 years of experience in the industry and I use this technical stack for so many years, and they would go on and on and on and on, blah blah blah. But how about if you can introduce yourself differently in two specific ways out of the many? I remember when I joined my previous organization, I had to staff up for a very specific project where I was responsible for hiring technical folks who would develop world class application for a famous university in the US. My initial experience was challenging because I was new to the environment and was working with new hiring managers. And because of that, understanding of the expectation of hiring became a little difficult, and I had many rejections in the initial stages. But after 2 weeks, after some reflection, I realized I had to look at a different talent pool altogether to be successful. And after targeting two product companies, it changed the game entirely. And I was able to land 10 people in the next 30 to 45 days, and that became a game changer. Fast forward, after 5 years, today I'm responsible for contract staffing for 9 big clients, and we hire close to 180 people every year and about 10 to 15 people every month. This is how you could tell a story about your experience. Moving on to the quote: believe this or not, if you want to present your thoughts with a clear message, use quotes. Quotes are those things which you use to introduce material into your conversation. If I were to introduce myself during an interview using a quote, I would probably say, I'm remembering a quote by some author which said, facts tell and stories sell. When I started as a lead with an organization, I had to hire great people with niche skills for a specific client who had to deliver a product very soon to their customers, which was a big name in the market. I didn't know about them much, and during the initial call, we figured out some few things and started with our hiring process. And we told the candidates that there are many rounds of interviews and who's the client and what is the technical stack. But when it came to the interview process and the interview drives, it became a disaster. Nobody got through the final round of interview and there were many rejections. So we went back, had a call again with the customer, and this time we did something different. We took our time patiently and with an open mind asked many questions, as many as possible. We got to know there's a different side to the product. There are new things which we had to know, and there was a very interesting storyline which we missed during the initial conversation. Going back with the new story and selling it to the candidate with the new product development work that we had gotten to know in the call helped us to turn around the entire hiring process and land all the candidates within the stipulated period of time. And we had great success hiring all candidates for this role, and our client appreciated our effort. Hence, I have realized a great lesson. Facts tell and stories sell. This is Nagesh Prabhu, always reminding you, when the right talent works for the right company, both of them benefit in them.